This is really what all creators should be doing in all different areas of art and creation, music, art, everything. Creators can earn satoshis on Nostr and in other ways through the Bitcoin Lightning Network. And they should, because the sats that you get, the zaps that you get, the Bitcoin you get is going to appreciate so much over time. And it's going to be worth a lot more. And we know platforms like YouTube, they're just using the creators. They're making all the money. Creators aren't making that much, right? So Nostr and the Lightning Network are ways for creators to earn better money and also sound money.